Hey guys, what's up? So in the last video we saw the design of the Galaxy S21 and to be honest, I'm not really impressed by it, but renders don't always depict how the design will look like in the real world, so I have my fingers crossed hoping that it would look better. Now moments after sharing the design of the Galaxy S21, OnLeaks also shared the design of the S21 Ultra and it looks the same. I mean, apart from the huge camera housing, there's hardly anything new here. And that camera housing, it's literally 1/3 of the length of the phone or even more. So you get 4 cameras inside the housing arranged weirdly, but I guess the placement may not be final as of now, so it might look better when the phone is announced. We saw something similar with the S20 Ultra as well when initial renders were leaked, so don't be bothered by the placement just yet. According to rumors, the S21 Ultra might get 2 telephoto lenses, one with 3x zoom and the other one having a periscope zoom of more than 5 times. We can clearly see the periscope lens at the bottom. The main camera would be a 108 megapixel ISOCELL bright HM2 sensor, while the final camera might have an ultra-wide lens attached to it. We may see a 40 megapixel camera at the front as well. The S20 Ultra focused pretty heavily on the cameras, so we can expect the same for the S21 Ultra. We get a slightly curved display on the front, unlike the S21 we saw earlier, which has a flat display. It also has a centered punch hole for the selfie camera. So no under-display camera technology on the S21 that might as well be available for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. At 6.8 inch, the display is slightly smaller than the S20 Ultra's 6.9 inch panel. The phone is ever so slightly smaller and less wide than the S20 Ultra at 165.1 by 75.6, while being 0.1 mm thicker at 8.9 millimeters. It's worth noting that it might get a similarly sized 5000 mAh battery, so the extra thickness is not due to an increase in the battery capacity. Also, the phone has no slot for an S Pen, so Samsung might sell it as an accessory and not as a part of the phone itself. There's also the S21 Plus, which sits right in between the S21 and the Ultra, and it looks a lot like the S21 with a similar triple camera setup at the back and a flat display up at the front. So seems like Samsung has given in to people demanding a flat display on their flagship devices after all, a move that I'm not a fan of. The design has been revealed from the CAD renders of the phone, but you don't need to worry as Ice Universe has already shared a more appealing render of the phone based on the CAD data and looks a lot better than the S21, at least from the front. The phone has pretty thin bezels all across, unlike the S21 with a slightly thicker chin compared to the top. Now, the S21 Plus is the only phone which will see a battery increase to the 4800 mAh cell compared to the 4500 mAh on the S20 Plus in the new S21 series. All 3 phones will be powered by the Snapdragon 875 or the Exynos 2100, which are both 5nm SoCs, so the battery life should be even better. The S21 series is rumored to make its way a month in advance compared to the previous S series phone, so they might be launched in January. That being said, do let me know your opinion on the S21 series. Are you excited or has the design left you unimpressed? That's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Smash the like button if you liked it and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.